Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make tea nicely. First, let's gather our simple tools. You'll need a kettle, your favorite mug, and of course, some tea. Whether you prefer loose leaf or tea bags, selecting a good quality option is key to a delicious brew. Always start with fresh, cold water. It truly makes a difference in the final taste. We'll cover each step to ensure your tea is perfectly brewed and wonderfully enjoyable. The right water temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors from your tea. For robust black teas and most herbal infusions, bring your fresh water to a full boil, reaching about 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, delicate green and white teas are best brewed with slightly cooler water, usually between 160 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents bitterness and highlights their subtle notes. Now for the steeping. For loose leaf, use about 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water or simply 1 tea bag per cup. Pour your perfectly heated water over the tea, making sure it's fully submerged. Brewing times vary. Black tea needs 3 to 5 minutes, green tea 1 to 3 minutes, and herbal teas can steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Adjust to your taste, but avoid oversteeping to prevent bitterness. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, remove the leaves or tea bag immediately. This stops the brewing process and prevents your tea from becoming too strong or bitter. Now, it's time to customize. Feel free to add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a slice of lemon, according to your preference. Finally, take a moment to truly savor your beautifully brewed, warm, and comforting cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.